So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to download both of them, so just click on both of them. It's now going to start downloading. And now once they've been downloaded, you could just right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. And we're now going to install them. I'm going to install the first one on my list. It's going to be x64. I'm going to double click on it. Now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. And now once that's been done, we can now click on close. We're now going to install the second one. Double click on it. Again, you want to tick the box and then click on install. And then click on yes. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, we can now close out this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. And now once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.